welcome back to my channel. It's Zoe here. I'm starting off this video rough, a maintenance reset video. So this is what I do on Sundays to like have myself be together. So I like to reset on Sundays. I always did, even since I was younger. Sundays was the day to start fresh. So that's what I'm doing. I already started taking out my hair, but I was like, let me do the intro instead of just like speeding it up. So yeah, make sure you comment, like, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I reset and refresh for the week, then keep watching. So the first thing I want to do is my hair. Then I'm going to do my skincare. I might put an eye mask on while I'm doing my hair. I just want to redo it. I'm going to just put that same braid, but just make it look nicer and neater. So that's what I'm gonna hurry up and do. It's already late because I have to put my son to bed before I do all this stuff. So it's like 11. This shouldn't take too long. I'm trying to hurry up. I still didn't eat dinner or like chill yet. So I'm trying to hurry up. Alright, so I do have an eye mask. So I'm gonna just put these on while I do my hair. I look rough. I look like a little ass boy. And I'm gonna also show you like my shower routine, skincare routine in the shower, just so you guys can get the whole picture of how I reset, exfoliate. I don't exfoliate every single day because I don't want my skin to be super dry, but. So the hairstyle that I'm doing is that braid thing that you guys saw me take out. I'm just redoing it, and I'm not putting it super high on my head. I kind of wanted to have it back so that I could put a hat on. And I'm just using Got2b glue and Eco Styler gel because I was just trying to hurry up and do this braid, but I think it came out okay, you know. This is just, you know, taking me over till I can get my wigs because I'm trying to get a wig and everything. But this is what I'm doing for now. Hope you guys like it. Hair is done. I'm gonna take these off. I feel like they're brighter. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my lashes, but I'm gonna wait till I get out the shower so I can wash my face. And I just do it this way because it's the quickest. So it is now my favorite part of the day, which is shower time. These are all the products that I use while I'm taking a shower, and I finish off with this Dove body scrub, and I use my hands first before I use the scrub brush. And I only use the scrub brush a few times a week because it is really rough. So that's what I do for my shower. Now I'm using the Noxzema skin cleanser, and I use this when my skin is really bad and I want to make it look good really quickly. This Noxzema always gets my skin right, I'm telling you guys. And everybody knows about Noxzema. It's been around for a long time, but I'm telling you, if your skin is acting up, that Noxzema, boy, that's gonna knock it out. And don't mind the steam in the background. If you can see it, I take really hot showers, and I know that's not good for your skin, but I can't help it. So after I wait for a while, I use this Urban Skin, and it's like this thing where you rub it on the bar of the soap and then you use it, the little sponge, to wash your face. This is the best face product I ever used, and I'm in esthetician school. I know products, boy, and this, I'm telling you, after 2 weeks of using this, your skin is gonna look brighter, clear, bomb. Like, I've been using this for maybe since like 2020, and I love it. It's expensive, so I only use it at a like not that much because I'm cheap. But if I could get it, I buy it and I use it. So y'all need to go to Target. They have it at Target. That's where I get it from. And get y'all one of these. So to finish off, I'm going to use toner, and toner just like brightens and evens out your skin tone and get rid of dark marks and dark bumps. And I'm just using the Up and Up brand from Target. It goes a long way. I'm out the shower. It's 12:16. We still doing Sunday reset. Next thing I want to do is if you didn't know, you probably don't because it's my new channel. I never said it on here, but I do lashes. So I have like the trays so I can make my own fans. But if you don't do lashes, I know making fans is complicated. Sometimes it's hard when you try to rush. So I also have these so I can show you guys like a variety. And these are super cheap. You can get them on Amazon. And these are from the beauty supply. No, this is from like CVS, Walgreens, one of those stores. So when I'm like halfway done, I will jump back in and show you guys how it is. So I am halfway done this eye. So I came back to show you guys how I make the fan. And fan it, blow it. Guys, but these are way easier. All you have to do is pull one out, dip it in the glue, fan it. Alright, so one eye is complete, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. So both eyes are done. Time check, 12:57, period. So last on the list is to, well, apps on my face. I like to spray. This is just some rose water, cocoa butter, period. And that's it for the skin and the things. And we're gonna head downstairs to get something to eat. All right, for today, what the fuck? Oh, my washing machine. So today for dinner, I'm having a Caesar salad because I ordered it yesterday and I never ate it. I'm gonna make it today. I'm gonna make it right now. This is the salad. It's from Domino's. I ordered it yesterday, but I didn't eat it, so I'm gonna eat it today. The shrimp. Sunday, if like you guys want to see what I do with my house, like how I reset the house, I can do that too. Today's just focused on like self-care. So I got these. I'm gonna have for a snack. Love these. I'm gonna put them in the microwave. And my water is ready. All the way to the top. So now I'm gonna go upstairs and at night, if I'm eating real late and it's, what time is it? It's 1:07. I'm gonna just eat in my bed. So I'm gonna catch y'all upstairs. So I made it back in my room. This is my food. It looks so good. I'm starving. Look at that dog. Look at my little sign, guys. Isn't this adorable? Well, not sign. I guess it is a sign. I'm gonna do my nails really quickly. These are press-ons. I make press-ons. I'll have it linked in the description and on the screen. So follow my nail page, and I'm gonna put these on. The glue spilled all over me, so my nails already look bad. Oh, I hate when this happens. But let me pop these on. So these are the nails. This hand looks better because the glue spilled all over this hand, so just ignore that. But yeah, these are the nails. The nails are nailing per. So these are good for the week. And yes, I miss my babies. I am going to put all my pillows off my bed and sit down and eat. I'm exhausted. Yeah, so this is when I just turn my TV on and watch Dance Moms. Yeah, so I'm gonna just eat my food and relax. That's basically it for my Sunday reset night routine. This is what I do on Sundays. Not this exact hairstyle every single time, and I don't do the lashes every single time, but skincare routine, eyebrows, a hairstyle, eat breakfast, eat dinner. Yeah, all of that stuff is what I really do on Sunday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow on my social media, and I will catch you in my next video. Say bye, cheese.